Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how to create this textured wall art. You'll need a canvas in any size you want, some spackling paste, and some spackling tools. I'm also going to be using a comb to add texture. You need a paintbrush, and you'll need some paints. You'll see later on I actually went with some different colors. The first thing you're going to do is just smooth the spackling paste all over the canvas. You can make it however thick you want to, and you don't have to smooth it all out if you don't want to. You can leave bumps and grooves, whatever you want. I let this dry for over 24 hours, and now I'm going to go in with some different paints. And that's all there is to it with this one. It's really simple and you can get some really unique designs. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.